Wait till you see how easy it is to make authentic Nigerian chicken pepper soup with eko for the perfect traditional dinner. Hello everyone, today we are making delicious Nigerian chicken pepper soup with eko, also known as agidi. This authentic Nigerian recipe is perfect for dinner. I added my diced chicken directly into the pot. The chicken has already been cleaned and cut into cubes. I also go in with my blended pepper. For this Nigerian pepper soup, I blended only scotch bonnet pepper, also known as atarudo, with onions until it was very smooth. This gives that signature pepper soup spice and heat. For the seasoning, I'll be using Gino chicken seasoning. This tastes amazing in pepper soup, so I added some salt and give everything a good mix. You will notice the chicken is frozen, so it's kind of difficult to stir right now. I covered the pot and let it cook with just the pepper and the seasoning for about 5 to 7 minutes on low heat. You will notice I didn't add water. We are only cooking it with the little water from the blended pepper. This technique helps the seasoning penetrate the chicken properly and create a more flavorful Nigerian pepper soup. For my green vegetables, I'll be using frozen uziza leaves. You can substitute with scent leaves, ugu, or any fresh green leafy vegetable you have available. I already cut and cleaned the uziza leaves before freezing, but I want to chop it a little bit smaller for this recipe. Now let's check on our chicken pepper soup. I'll be using my homemade pepper soup spice for this recipe. If you want me to show you how to make your own pepper soup spice at home, let me know in the comments below. You can also buy ready-to-use or ready-made pepper soup spice at your local market or African store around you. So I'm adding some pepper soup spice and the remaining blended pepper. I'll also add a little vegetable oil. This is optional. If you're using this for weight loss, please do not add oil. This is optional, but it adds a nice richness. Let me give it a good stir. You have to stir it properly to help the penetration of the seasoning into the chicken. So after that, I'm going to add enough water to create that perfect pepper soup broth. I like a lot of water in my pepper soup. I mean, that's what I even take more than the chicken. I added more salt and let it cook for about 8 minutes before I go in with the uziza leaves. At this point, the aroma is incredible. So I'll give it a stir and cover it again to let the leaves steam for about 5 minutes. This allows the uziza to release its unique flavor into the pepper soup. And just like that, our authentic Nigerian chicken pepper soup is ready. The broth is flavorful, spicy, and absolutely delicious. We are having this chicken pepper soup with eko, also called agidi, for dinner tonight. This is my eko that I made earlier this morning. If you need a full detailed tutorial on how to make eko or agidi from your regular pap or ogi, I will link that video up here and in the description box below. You can also check out my channel for more Nigerian recipes. Now let's serve our traditional Nigerian dinner. I'm scooping some of the hot pepper soup with the chicken into this bowl, and I'm placing my eko or agidi right beside it in my white plate. And there you have it, a perfect Nigerian dinner. Honestly, what is better than authentic Nigerian pepper soup and agidi or eko? This combination tastes absolutely incredible. If you enjoyed this easy pepper soup recipe, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week with another delicious Nigerian recipe.